Welcome to the Silver Reports Weekly Wrap-Up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. On Monday, the Dow closed down 602 points. A rising US dollar is thought to be the cause of the market sell-off. OPEC announced that it could possibly cut oil production. The news stabilized oil prices briefly, but crude oil still ended down for the day. Goldman Sachs stock price dropped on news of an investigation into links to a Malaysian government fund. On Tuesday, the Dow closed down 100 points. It was a tough day as oil continued to slide. In other news, Amazon announced its plan for 2 new headquarters, one in New York, one in Virginia. I don't think that decision really surprised many people. In earnings news, Home Depot beat EPS estimates by 26 cents, revenue estimates by $60 million. Tyson Foods beat EPS estimates by 25 cents, but missed on revenue by $300 million. And Tilray beat EPS estimates by 4 cents, and revenue of $10 million was in line with analyst estimates. On Wednesday, the Dow closed down 205 points. The Dow traded back down to its 200-day moving average. In news that moved the markets, Apple shares continued to slide. Snap is being investigated regarding details of the company's IPO and disgruntled shareholders. In earnings news, Macy's beat EPS estimates by 20 cents, and revenue of $5.4 billion was in line with analyst estimates. Cisco also beat EPS estimates by 3 cents and revenue estimates by $240 million. On Thursday, the Dow closed up 208 points. The bulls rallied off of the 200-day moving average. To start the day, there was the New York Times story on Facebook. Very interesting. The link to the story is in the description. The stock didn't react well to the story, obviously. In earnings news, Walmart beat EPS estimates but missed on revenue by $520 million. Applied Material reported earnings per share of 97 cents, which was in line with analyst estimates, and revenue of $4 billion beat revenue estimates by $10 million. Nvidia beat EPS estimates by 13 cents but missed on revenue by $60 million. The company cited the end of the crypto mining boom as an issue. On Friday, the Dow closed up 123 points. The bulls were able to string together 2 triple-digit days in a row, which was pretty difficult, seeing Nvidia continued to slide from Thursday's earnings release. Facebook also continued to slide from the New York Times story. In earnings news on Friday, Viacom reported an EPS beat of 30 cents and a revenue beat of $120 million. Overall, for the weeks, the markets ended down. We did see buying triggered off of the 200-day moving average. We'll have to wait and see if it continues next week. In crypto news, Bitcoin broke below a support level. Is this the crash to 4,000 or is this the shakeout before it goes higher? Bitcoin was trading at $5,495 at the time of this recording. Ethereum was trading at $171.64. Litecoin was trading at $41.83, and Ripple was trading at 46 cents. Crude oil was able to string together 3 positive days in a row, closing the week out at $56.80 per barrel, but still down for the week. A big winner for the week, Natural Grocers by Vitamin Cottage, NGVS. The stock closed up 35% on Friday. A big loser for the week, Nordstrom, which closed down 22% this week. Are you signed up for our In Focus article? Every Sunday, we take a look at a company or companies that made the news the previous week and give our opinion on whether the company is a buy, sell, or a hold. Before you hit the buy or sell button on Monday, you should check out our In Focus article. A link to sign up is in the description below. Thanks again for checking out the Silver Reports Weekly Market Wrap-Up. This channel is dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but doesn't know how or where to start. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. Like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment. See you next week.